have some people that want to use Aweber as their autoresponder inside the Conversion Pros instead of the built-in autoresponder, and that's fine. If you want to do that, I'll show you how to do it. So let's say you go over to Aweber, and then what you want to do is create a form. You click on Sign Up Forms, you start to create a form, okay? And of course you could edit these forms on colors and all kinds of stuff here. But then once you create a form here, for example, color, let's say I wanted to do red to match this page that I'm working on. Okay, this isn't a training on Aweber. You're going to have to figure out how to do this stuff on Aweber, but there's a bunch of forms you could use. What you're going to do is you're going to save your form. Okay, go to step 2. And that's when you're going to say, I'm going to say Santa for this form here. Thank you page, basic version, or create your own URL that you want it to go to. You could fill this kind of stuff out. Then I go to step 3, save my form. Go to step 3. I will install my own form. You want to click on that and just go grab raw HTML. Okay, you don't need to know what any of this says. Just Control A copies it all, and then Control C. Okay. Once you do that, you come over here into Conversion Pros, and then you just hit Edit Components. You come down to our div editor, and you just drag and drop it in. Okay. Then what you do is just hit Edit Content. Well, not Edit Content, Style. Nope, not Style. What am I doing here? I was in the wrong thing here. Style, right there. No, I'm sorry. Edit Content. There we go. And click on Tools, Source Code. Okay. So one thing I want to do first is I want to do these little bars like this and hit Center, then Center, just like that. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is put my cursor between them and Control V for paste. It's going to copy all that code. I have no idea what that says, and just press OK. And you hit stop, and then you can see the form there. Now maybe I need to lighten this up so you can see it. You probably got to edit on Aweber. You could edit the backgrounds and things like that on Aweber there to change the way these forms look. So you can play with their editor over here, go back and play with the backgrounds and all the kind of stuff on the actual form itself. Okay, so if you want a transparent background, or maybe you want a white background, or whatever you want to do, okay, that's in their form settings there. But to add it to TCP, all you had to do is do that div editor, add the code. If I hit Save Lander, and then I want to come and I want to see what the page looks like. There you go. Now the only thing to know is all your leads, they won't be going into the Conversion Pros. They'll be going right into your Aweber. Okay, so you'll have to access your leads right in Aweber. They won't actually go into TCP if you're using Aweber this way to access it. And they also won't be going to our phone app either, because you're using an external form. But a lot of people want to use our pages and they want to connect to Aweber. It's super simple to do. That's how you do it. And I hope you enjoyed this training.